ReefDudes is sponsored by Ecotech Marine and Bulk Reef Supply.
Today we're doing the behind the scenes of Top Shelf. What's going on, guys? Devin ReefDudes here at Top Shelf Aquatics. Check out this amazing store. And as you can see, it is freaking amazing. There is ridiculous amounts of gorgeous coral absolutely everywhere in this place. And it's probably been about 4 years since I've been here. And when I was here last time, they were just setting it up. There's only a handful of tanks, and now it's just a sea. It goes on and on and on, and it is freaking amazing. So sit back and enjoy some coral eye candy.